Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera. So in this video, I would like to explain two type of phase diagram that cover in our syllabus. The first one is the phase diagram of water, and the second one is the phase diagram of carbon dioxide. And what is the difference between it? Okay, firstly, before you start drawing a phase diagram, you have to make sure you have a y-axis and the x-axis. Y represent pressure either in ATM or anything given in the question, and the temperature in degrees Celsius or Kelvin depends on the question. Okay, let's say this is the phase diagram for carbon dioxide. So the difference between carbon dioxide and water is the melting curve. If it is a carbon dioxide, this is the phase diagram. So this is a solid state, liquid, and a water vapor. Okay, let's say this is the triple point, this is the critical point. Okay, so if I label this as A, B, C, D, curve AB represent my sublimation curve, curve BC represent my melting curve, dan curve BD represent my boiling curve. Alright, so B is a triple point and D is a critical point. Alright, so let's say if I extrapolate here, let's say at this pressure, okay, so and I label a few points. Let's say I label point E, which is here, point F, point G, and point H, maybe around there. Okay, and what is the state or the physical properties at point E, F, G, and H? If we look at point E, that region, all the substance in a solid state. So at point E, it appears the substance or the carbon dioxide appears in a solid state. At point F, it is in curve BC, which is a melting curve. Everything in a line or the curve, it is at equilibrium. So for point F, it is solid and liquid at equilibrium. If we look at G, G is in a liquid region, so G only liquid, and H is in a vapor region, H only exists as a vapor. If I put a point here, at this point, the substance exists in equilibrium between liquid and vapor. So this is the phase diagram of carbon dioxide and how to compare with water. Okay, now I want to draw a phase diagram of water. This is the pressure and this is the temperature, maybe in degree Celsius. The difference is here. The sublimation curve is the same, but the melting curve is different. Okay, so this is a solid state, this is a liquid state, and this is a gas or a vapor state. Alright, so this is the triple point, this is the critical point. Okay, and let's say at a certain pressure, if I extrapolate, this will become my melting point, and this will become my boiling point. For example, but if it is at 1 atm, the point become the normal melting point and a normal boiling point. Okay, so you're supposed to know why the melting curve of water is a negative slope while the melting curve of carbon dioxide is a positive slope. Okay, so I think that's all for the phase diagram. I hope you can answer the question in your tutorial book or the past year question related to the phase diagram. Okay, so thank you very much.